Welcome to our 60-second visual guide on SEO, or search engine optimization. Imagine having a treasure map. SEO is your guide to finding buried digital gold. But what is SEO? It's the art and science of enhancing your website to rank higher in search engine results like Google. It involves keywords, site speed, mobile compatibility, and user experience. Let's break down three key components: content, technical SEO, and backlinks. First, content. It's the king. High-quality, relevant content meets users' needs and attracts search engines. Use well-researched keywords naturally in headings, bodies, and meta descriptions to drive traffic. Next, technical SEO. This is the backbone. Ensure your site is fast, secure, and mobile-friendly. Use clean URLs, optimize images, and create sitemaps to help search engines index your pages. Lastly, backlinks. Think of them as votes of confidence from other websites. More quality backlinks mean more authority. Build these by creating shareable content, guest blogging, or simply asking partners to link to your site. Now, a quick look at measuring success. Use tools like Google Analytics to track organic traffic and conversions. Monitor keyword rankings and page performance. SEO isn't a one-time task, it's ongoing. Constant updates, fresh content, and adapting to algorithm changes are crucial. To wrap up, SEO is about optimizing your online presence for search engines and users. A strategic blend of content creation, technical adjustments, and backlink building can increase visibility, traffic, and conversions. Remember, in the digital world, visibility equals opportunity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick guides.